missing someone.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made that cute pro-like intro I just showed at the beginning of the video. So if you're interested in learning how to make an intro like that, please make sure to watch the end of the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So to get started, the first thing you want to do is find a background video for your intro. And to do this, I went into the Pinterest app. So to find the exact background video I used for the intro, I searched for the term beautiful sunset on Pinterest. Right now, I can't find the exact video I used for the intro. However, I'm going to put the link to the video in my description box. So if you are interested in using that same video for your intro, you can just check that out under my description box. Also, in case you don't know how to download videos from the Pinterest app, I recently dropped a video on my channel on how to download videos from Pinterest app, so you can check that out immediately after this video. So now, after downloading a background video for my intro, I'm going to go into the Flow app to add frame to my intro. Before I add a frame to the video, I'm first going to increase the speed of the video just so that it can match the vibe of the song I'm going to be using for the intro. After increasing the speed of the video, I went onto the sticker icon, then clicked on frame. I changed the color of the frame to fit the intro. Then I drag the frame to the end of the video, and that's it. Next is to export the video into your phone's gallery, but I'm not going to export mine because I already have the video in my phone. After exporting the video from the Flow app, I went on to the KineMaster app where I'll be adding my text and every other thing to the intro. Click on create new project, then 16:9. So you're going to pick the video you'll be using for the intro, and that's the video we just exported from the Flow app. So the first thing I did here was to add my intro music, just so that every other thing follows the music vibe. And I got my intro music from the first 20 seconds of a video I saw on YouTube, and the name of the video was Popular Aesthetic Songs for Video, and this is it right here in case you want to use it too. So the next thing to do after adding your intro music is to start adding the text to the intro. And to add text on your intro, you're going to go to the layer tool, then click on text, and I'm just going to type in the name I'll be using. I'm just gonna widen the text up, then add a cute font to it. Then I added an outline to the text, which I made sure matched with the background video. Next, I added the shadow effect just so that the text looked bolder and cuter. Yeah. Lastly, for this text, I added the in-animation effect. I decreased the speed rates to 0.8. At this point, I cut the text short so I can add the next part of the intro. After cutting the text, without moving anything on the video, I click on the layer tool, then on media to select the Instagram icon I'll be using. And to make this Instagram icon, I went onto the Pixar app. I click on the purple plus button. Then I scroll down till I found the background colors. Then I click on the transparent background. When the page opens up, click on the sticker tool, then search for the Instagram icon. After finding the Instagram icon I like best, I added the border effect, then the shadow effect just to make it cuter. When I was done adding the border and shadow effect, I went back to the KineMaster app to import the sticker into my intro. I reduced the size of the Instagram icon and added our Instagram handle. I repeated the same process I did for the first text by adding the outline and the shadow effect. Next, I added the in-animation pop effect and reduced the speed to 0.8. And also for the Instagram icon, I added the in-animation pop down effect, then decreased the speed to 0.5. And lastly, for the second part of this intro, I added the Instagram like icon. I adjusted the size to make it fit every other thing on the intro. I added the in-animation slide left effect and reduced the speed to 0.5. So that's all for the second part of the intro. And like I did at the first part of the intro, I'm going to cut short my text and the Instagram icon so I can create space for the third part of the intro. Now, like I did for the first and second part of the intro, I'm just going to repeat the whole process for the third part by adding my Twitter icon and my text. I also added the outline and shadow effect on my text. Then I added the in-animation pop-down effect on my Twitter icon and reduced the speed to 0.8. I also added the in-animation pop effect on my text and reduced the speed to 0.9. Now moving on to the final part of the intro, I cut short my text and the Twitter icon from the third part of the intro and added my text as the final part of the intro. And like I did for every other text on the intro, I added the outline and shadow effect. Lastly, I added the overall floating animation effect on my text. And trim out extra parts from the intro. So now let's check out our final work. So that's it. I'm going to export the intro into my gallery.
Missing someone.